Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this recipe, I'll be sharing a yummy pancake recipe that the kids can enjoy and the whole family can also enjoy as breakfast or snack. Any time of the day you want to eat it, you are good to go. So I'm sharing this recipe for you so that you can make them before school finally resumes. School is about to resume on Tuesday for us. So yes, I'll make it in bulk, store it in the freezer, then any morning I'll put it in the fridge overnight. It toast, then I warm it up in the morning with my microwave or just my oven, and we are good to go. It's just me. This meal is actually feeling. School is about to resume. I'm so excited because days I don't go to work, I get to have my me time and enjoy the silence and the house. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, keep watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Don't miss out of this recipe. Make sure you watch till the end. Thank you. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, wow, we are done now. So this is how it looks. So when you are done, you just put it on a tray, spread it out, allow it to cool down. Then you put it in a Ziploc bag or inside a bowl. Then freeze it up. Whenever you want to use it, you just put it in the fridge overnight. Then in the morning, you warm it up either with your microwave or your oven. Then you serve it. Finish. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, comment, and like my